Jeremy Osterberger here with BIC Alliance and BIC Magazine. I've got Matt Mills with me. Matt, how you doing?
Good, and you?
I'm doing fine, man. So talk a little bit about the Society of Maintenance and Reliability Professionals Houston chapter. You're on the board, and what do you do for the board?
Good. I'm the secretary. This is my first year. Got inducted at the end of 2017. Got elected in as chair, or not chair, I'm sorry, secretary. It is a voted in position, all board members are, so it was an honor for me to do that, be elected. I'm trying to kind of live out my dad's legacy, honestly, in SMRP. He was a big supporter on the board, chaired, all that kind of stuff, so I'm trying to live up to my name, essentially. But it is my first year. Everything has gone pretty good this year. We've had a lot of success. The golf tournament was better than 2017, so that's always good. A lot of participation, new folks, seeing new people, so it's good.
And SMRP is a nonprofit organization, right? So this event here, the Maintenance and Reliability Symposium, is an annual event.
Absolutely.
And all the proceeds here go to scholarships.
Yes,
correct?
So proceeds from the Mars Conference go to engineering support, engineering scholarships around the Houston area, colleges. All the proceeds from the golf tournament we give back into trade. Because if you talk to a lot of the plant people, trade's something that gets forgotten about. If we forget about it, these plants, all the industry folks, they're not going to be able to function in 10 years. So right. We try to support and give back to those kids as well.
So Matt, talk about, if someone's interested in SMRP Houston chapter, what are their benefits, whether they're someone inside the plants or facilities, providing reliability, providing maintenance, or also even vendors, right, like we have here at the show.
Right, absolutely. So as far as plants, we range from anywhere to helping technicians to plant managers, even maintenance managers, all those folks. We offer the CMRP exam, the CMRT, those things that's accreditations you can get, letters behind your name that mean something in our industry. It's also gone global, across the sea and everything. Those letters mean something. CMRP, it's like having a doctorate degree almost. Our international leader mentioned this morning that he was somewhere and they were like, oh, you have a PhD? He's like, yeah, oh, you have an SMRP or a CMRP? Oh, that's just as good. And so it's an accreditation that's going global, and it's a great thing that we offer our members. It's an exam they can take and get certified. As far as member benefits, we have quarterly meetings held right now for the Houston chapter at Battleground in Deer Park, so it's local. They can come and involve themselves in those. We're looking to add more education, trying to get maybe another 3 to 4 meetings, something to benefit our members a little more, give them some education, teach them about other things in the craft and the trades that they can learn. And as far as vendors, that's where our vendors play a big role. They come in, they're our speakers a lot of times. They're helping us educate the industry. And so that's where our vendors really play a role. The vendors can be accredited as well with the CMRP exam. And when they do that, it shows good things to the plant. When they're dealing with somebody with Turner or Mundy or Zachary or any of these folks, oh, you're CMRP. Okay, right then there's a connection. There's something that they know they're knowledgeable on this. They can even talk to it.
Well, thank you, Matt, for spending time with us, man.
Absolutely.
Always good to see you.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.